come sing with me. 5 pillars are Islam, 1, 2, 3. Strong and bright like stars above. Teach us faith and teach us love. The first pillar shines so bright. La ilaha illallah, light of light. Muhammad Sud is Allah's guide. Keeps us walking side by side. Faith in heart, pure and true. Everything we say and do. Shahadah makes our iman strong. Join and sing this happy song. 5 times daily, time to pray. Morning, noon, and end of day. Hands up high, we say Allahu Akbar. Prayer takes us near, never far. Bow and prostrate nice and slow. Feel His mercy as we glow. Salah keeps our hearts so clean. Beautiful part of our deen. Sharing food with those in need. Doing every little good deed. Sawm teaches self-control. Makes mercy grow inside our soul. When we give, our hearts grow wide. Allah fills them up inside. Sharing wealth with those who cry. Lifts their spirit, helps them try. Give a little, give with care. Spread your love and learn to share. Zakat makes our ummah strong. Helping others all day long. Millions walk in pure white dress. Hearts in peace and tenderness. Round the Kaaba side by side. Every step with love and pride. Praying, standing hand in hand. Brothers, sisters from every land. Hajj unites us far and near. Filling hearts with joy and cheer. 5 pillars shining bright for you. Teaching every good to do. Follow them with heart and soul. Allah will guide your every goal. If you love this rhyme today, like and share in every way. Subscribe for more.